So, you're trying to get your Dyson V10 going, but no matter how hard you press that trigger, it's like it's just ignoring you.
Bruh.
Yeah, we've been there. This broken trigger button scenario is surprisingly common among Dyson V10 owners. It often stems from a broken or worn-out trigger mechanism. You see, over time, this little button can wear down, crack, or just plain refuse to engage. And ignoring a faulty trigger won't just magically fix itself. It means you're stuck with a very beautiful, but ultimately useless, vacuum cleaner, gathering dust instead of cleaning it up. But don't despair, RoboCare knows exactly how to tackle this tricky situation. We can get your Dyson V10 back to its powerful, reliable self in no time. So, how exactly does RoboCare tackle this frustrating Dyson V10 trigger button problem? Well, we've developed a transparent and reliable process designed to get your vacuum back in action. First, our intake and diagnostic phase. Whether you're local and can drop off your vacuum, or prefer to use our convenient courier service, we've got you covered. Next up, the repair itself. We don't believe in shortcuts. That's why we only use genuine Dyson parts to ensure optimal performance and longevity for your machine. Before we return your vacuum, it goes through rigorous testing. This includes multiple start and stop cycles and thorough checks to make sure it meets our strict quality standards. We make sure everything's working perfectly before it leaves our hands. Now you know our process, it's time for the real proof. Look at that. After RoboCare's expert touch, your Dyson V10 is back in action, cleaning flawlessly. No more trigger button troubles. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience. I'm so glad I found RoboCare. They were incredibly professional and helpful, and the whole process was completely stress-free. Honestly, if you're having issues with your vacuum, especially your Dyson, don't hesitate to contact RoboCare. They're amazing. Contact RoboCare today for reliable repairs. We've got the expertise to fix any brand.